Unveiling the secrets of crisp golden crust. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a deliciously descriptive phrase that you might come across in cookbooks, restaurant menus, or even in everyday conversation. Crisp golden crust. Let's break it down together and discover what makes this phrase not only a treat for the taste buds but also for the mind. To fully appreciate the phrase, crisp golden crust, it's essential to understand the meaning of each word. Crisp. This adjective describes something that is pleasantly hard, or brittle, often with a satisfying crunchy sound when bitten or broken. In the context of food, it suggests freshness and a delightful texture. Golden. This color adjective is used to describe something that has the bright, shiny yellow color of gold. In culinary terms, it often indicates that something has been cooked to a perfect state, with a lovely, appealing color. Crust. The noun crust refers to the outer layer of a food item that is often baked or fried. This can be the bread's outer part, the hard surface of a pie, or even the outer layer of a fried food. Now that we understand the individual words, let's combine them to grasp the full meaning of crisp golden crust. This phrase paints a picture of an ideal culinary texture and appearance. It suggests that the outer layer of a food item is not just cooked to perfection but also has a satisfying crunch and an appealing golden color that promises a delicious taste experience. The phrase, crisp golden crust, is often used to describe a variety of foods, including but not limited to baked goods, such as bread, pies, and pastries, where the outer layer is desirable to be crunchy and visually appealing. Fried foods, like chicken, fish, or potatoes, where the exterior is expected to be crunchy and golden in color. Pizzas, where the edge or bottom has a desirable crunchy texture and color. Understanding this phrase can enhance your dining experiences, help you in cooking, and even make your food-related conversations more descriptive and engaging. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, crisp golden crust. We hope this video has not only made your mouth water but also enriched your understanding of how descriptive English can be, especially when talking about food. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's also about painting pictures with words, and this phrase is a perfect example. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.